there is one quadratic equation and one line. So let's say y equal to 3x square minus x minus 4. This is the curve and there is a line y equal to 2x minus 1. Now, first of all, both of them, they are equal to y. So you equate these two. 3x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 1. When you will shift it, it will become 3x square minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. Or x square, if 3 is common, minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Or x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now, this is the combined equation of this curve and the line. And now we have to look at that b square minus 4ac. So b is, a is 1 there, b is minus 1, and c is minus 1. So b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1, and that will be equal to 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5, which is greater than 0. So if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the line is going to cut the curve at two distinct points. So this means if this is the curve and this is the line, then it is going to cut at these two distinct points. We can find out that. Now, y is equal to 2x plus 1 and y is equal to 2x square minus 4x plus 11 over 2. Now we will equate these two. 2x square minus 4x plus 11 over 2 minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0 because both y's are equal. Then this will become 2x square minus 6x and plus 9 over 2. That is equal to 0. Now a value is 2, b value is minus 6, and c value is 9 over 2. Now discrimination b square minus 4ac is equal to 6 square minus 4 into 2 into 9 over 2. So that is equal to 36 minus 36, that is equal to 0. So when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the curve and the line is going to meet at one point, and that line is being known as we call tangent of this curve here. And for the last point, if curve is y is equal to 3x square minus x plus 4 and line is y is equal to 2x minus 1, then you will equate these two. 3x square minus x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 1, or this will become 3x square minus x plus 4 minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. This will become 3x square minus 2x minus x minus 3x plus 4, and this plus 1 is equal to plus 5 equal to 0. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 3 square minus 4 into 3 into 5. So that thing is equal to 9 minus, which is minus 51, which is less than 0. So there is no point of intersection between line and curve there. Now we will do the next in the further part of this quadratic and line there.